Surprise, motherfucker.
My name is Garen Phillips.
My name's Aliah. You don't have to zoom in that book.
Principles for Success, an ultra mini series adventure in how the economic machine works in 30 minutes.
So let me go ahead and show you the technicals that I look for on this. All right, so this is
Right now is Ray Dalio, Bridgewater Associates founder, co-chair, co-chief investment officer. Ray has a new book out. It's getting endorsements by all sorts of luminaries. It's called A Template for Understanding Big Debt Crises.
Hello, welcome to the 1 in 10 show, where for the next 10 years, I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to make $1 million. Or you're going to watch me go bankrupt. Skylar, Stock Rocket, if you're seeing this, get back on Discord so I can get your phone number so we can set up that shoot. I'm moving to Texas in like 4 months.